Let's shine a spotlight on the real heavy hitters of construction, the mega machines. These mechanical giants are the backbone of every major project, working tirelessly from sunrise to sunset, no matter the weather or the challenge. These are the wheel loaders, excavators, and heavy transports, the true titans of the job site, each one engineered for strength, endurance, and precision. You've seen them, massive, purposeful, and unstoppable. Their sheer size and power command respect, and their presence signals that serious work is underway. They don't wear suits or work in offices. Their world is dirt, diesel, and raw power. Every day, operators climb into these machines, ready to tackle the toughest tasks, surrounded by the roar of engines and the grit of the job site. Without them, our cities, roads, and malls wouldn't exist. Every building, every highway, every shopping center starts with these machines breaking ground and moving earth. These aren't just big toys. They're precision instruments, each built for a tough, essential job. Their advanced hydraulics and controls allow for movements that are both powerful and incredibly accurate. Next time you drive on a smooth road, remember, an excavator dug it, carving out the path with skill and strength. A wheel loader built its foundation, layering gravel and soil with careful precision to ensure a solid base, and a heavy transport brought the materials, hauling massive loads across long distances to keep the project moving forward. It's a ballet of brute force, a dance of digging, lifting, and hauling that shapes our world. Every movement is choreographed for maximum efficiency and safety, turning chaos into progress. Standing next to one of these giants is humbling. Their tires tower over you, their engines shake the ground. The scale is awe-inspiring, reminding us of the incredible feats humans can achieve with the right tools. This is about harnessing power to transform landscapes, turning empty lots into bustling neighborhoods and open fields into vital infrastructure. So, let's pull back the curtain on these mega machines. It's time to appreciate the engineering marvels that make modern life possible. We'll break down what makes them tick, from their powerful engines to the sophisticated hydraulics that give them such precise control. Meet the wheel loader, the tireless workhorse, always ready to move mountains of material, load after load. The excavator, the surgical tool of construction, capable of both brute force and delicate maneuvers, shaping the land with every swing. And the heavy transports, the champions that make it all possible, delivering the muscle and materials that keep the job site alive and thriving. First up, let's meet the wheel loader, the site's unstoppable mover and the true muscle of any operation. Its main job? To pick up and move massive amounts of material and do it fast, saving time and effort for everyone on site. That giant bucket up front isn't just for show. It scoops up dirt, gravel, rocks, basically anything loose that needs to be relocated in a hurry. It's all about volume and speed, powered by a roaring diesel engine and hydraulic muscle that gives it the strength to tackle the toughest loads. The operator drives straight into a pile, fills the bucket to the brim, and then hauls tons of material across the site with ease, making it look effortless. 4 huge, rugged wheels give it both speed and agility, letting it zip around flat ground and navigate tight spaces with surprising precision. Think of it as the site's delivery powerhouse, always on the move, keeping materials flowing to wherever they're needed most. Laying a road? The wheel loader is there, bringing endless loads of gravel to the pavers, making sure the work never slows down. Demolition day? No problem. It clears away mountains of debris, making space for new construction to begin. Its versatility is unmatched. Swap out the bucket for forks or a grapple, and suddenly it's ready to lift pallets, grab logs, or handle scrap metal. Don't let its utility fool you. These machines are incredibly strong, built to handle the heaviest loads day after day. Even a mid-sized loader can lift over 20,000 pounds in a single scoop, making quick work of what would take hours by hand. The wheel loader never stops. It's the relentless heartbeat of the job site. Always working, always moving. Rain or shine, mud or dust, it just keeps moving, no matter what. That's why the wheel loader is truly the muscle of the operation. Now, meet the artist of the site, the excavator. Where the wheel loader is brute force, the excavator is all about precision. Its long, jointed arm and rotating platform let it dig, lift, and place with pinpoint accuracy. Hydraulics power every movement, controlled by joysticks in the cab. It digs deep trenches, scrapes ground to exact levels, and demolishes structures piece by piece. Its tracks give it stability and let it tackle rough, muddy terrain. Swap attachments, and it becomes a demolition hammer, a grapple, or a shear. The excavator is the master of tough terrain and delicate work. It's not just a shovel, it's a powerful, precise platform for every dirty job. The excavator is the first on site and often the last to leave. Digging and lifting is only half the battle. Now, meet the heavy transports. Dump trucks haul away dirt, gravel, and debris, loaded by wheel loaders and excavators. When it's time to move the machines themselves, lowboy trailers step in. These rigs haul massive equipment from site to site, requiring skill and power. Dump trucks are built for durability, handling heavy abrasive loads all day. Lowboys carry 50-ton excavators with ease, pulled by semi-trucks built for maximum torque. These trucks are the logistical backbone, ensuring everything arrives on time. They're the unseen heroes, connecting every phase of the project. Without them, nothing moves and nothing gets built. No single machine builds a skyscraper. It's all about teamwork. The site foreman directs the flow, but the real magic is in the operator's coordination. Picture a foundation dig. The excavator scoops earth, swinging it into waiting dump trucks. As one truck fills and leaves, another slides into place, no wasted motion. Meanwhile, the wheel loader moves gravel, keeping materials ready for the next phase. Every machine, every operator, works in sync for maximum efficiency. Idle machines cost money, so the goal is a seamless flow. The excavator digs, dump trucks haul, wheel loaders organize. Operators anticipate each other's moves, creating a safe, productive site. It's a powerful example of teamwork. Steel, diesel, and human skill. This is construction's true symphony. This symphony of steel is everywhere. Roads, buildings, airports, mines. Building a highway? Excavators clear the land. Dump trucks haul. Wheel loaders spread gravel. Every building starts with a hole dug by an excavator, earth hauled away by dump trucks. Wheel loaders move supplies, and when it's time for demolition, the same machines clear the way for something new. On massive projects, dams, mines, these machines work on an epic scale, moving mountains day and night. Even after disasters, they're first on the scene, clearing debris and helping rebuild. They're not just machines, they're tools of creation and recovery. Every scoop, every load is a step in building our civilization. They shape the world we live in, one job at a time. Their work is everywhere, even if you don't notice it. Let's put their size and power in perspective. When you see these machines up close, their sheer scale is almost unbelievable. They tower over people and vehicles, dominating the landscape wherever they work. A mid-sized wheel loader weighs 40,000 pounds, about the same as 10 family cars parked together. With every scoop, it can lift the weight of a small car, moving mountains of earth and debris in minutes. These machines are the workhorses of construction, clearing sites and loading materials with incredible efficiency. The excavator? It tips the scales at 50,000 pounds, and its bucket force exceeds 30,000 pounds, enough muscle to break through solid rock and compacted soil with ease. Its long, flexible arm gives it the reach to dig deep foundations or carve out trenches with surgical precision. Its hydraulic system runs at over 5,000 psi, 100 times your home's water pressure. This immense force powers every movement, allowing the excavator to perform delicate maneuvers or brute force tasks as needed. Heavy transports are in a league of their own, designed to move the heaviest loads across rough terrain and long distances. Standard dump trucks carry 15 tons, but mining haul trucks like the Caterpillar 797 are true behemoths, hauling over 400 tons in a single trip. These trucks are the giants of the mining world, built for endurance and strength. That's the equivalent of 80 elephants in one load, an almost unimaginable amount of weight moving at once. These trucks weigh over 600,000 pounds even when empty. and their tires are taller than most people. Standing next to one, you feel like you're in the presence of a moving skyscraper. Each machine is a specialist. The wheel loader is the weightlifter, built for raw power. The excavator is the gymnast, agile and precise. And the heavy transport is the marathon runner, carrying massive loads over great distances. Their size matches the scale of their tasks, and together, they transform landscapes, build cities, and fuel industries. They're engineered for strength, precision, and endurance, with every part designed to withstand extreme conditions and relentless use. These giants are the backbone of every big project, working tirelessly day and night to keep progress moving forward. Their power is nothing short of awe-inspiring, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless drive to build bigger, better, and stronger. On a job site, safety is everything. Massive machines, deep trenches, and constant noise mean everyone must stay alert. Operators start each day with inspections, checking tires, hydraulics, and safety features. Spotters on the ground guide machines with hand signals, radios keep everyone in sync. Communication is constant. Every move is announced for safety. It's a culture of responsibility and teamwork. Operators are highly trained professionals, always focused on protecting their crew. The most important job? Making sure everyone goes home safe. Safety isn't just a rule, it's the foundation of every project. Respect for the machines and each other keeps the site running smoothly. That's the true mark of a professional. Strip it all down, and these mega machines are the tools of progress. They turn blueprints into buildings, maps into roads, and empty fields into communities. Every tap, every light switch, every paved street owes something to their work. Their labor is everywhere, often unnoticed but always essential. The engineering behind them is a marvel. Machines that lift 100 tons with surgical precision. Operators are craftsmen, blending skill and technology. Next time you see a construction site, watch the dance. Excavators, wheel loaders, dump trucks in motion. It's not just noise and dust, it's progress in action. These machines and their operators are building our world, one scoop at a time, and that's something worth appreciating.